Are you looking for the best foldable drones? In this video we will look at some of the best foldable drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mavic Pro 2. 20MP 1 lens CMOS sensor, 31 minutes flight time, 10-bit HDR video, 18.5 km range, 19m/s speed. The gorgeous 4K content has high quality that stands high with respect to price range. The crisp image due to 20 megapixels makes the drone produce a high-quality drone. The DJI Mavic Pro 2 has superior image and video quality with an obstacle avoidance system and good battery life. The 1-inch CMOS sensor L1D-20C camera has advanced active sensing to produce high-quality videos and photos. The remote control uses an ultra-bright 5.5-inch 1080p display that helps in maintaining clear visibility. The pause button acts as emergency braking, causing it to hover. The 31 minutes flight time makes the drone capable of capturing aerial views and has a range of 18.5 kilometers. The 19m/s speed makes it further capable of capturing aerial photography. Number 2. Autel Robotics Evo II Foldable Drone. The Autel Robotics Evo II provides the most extended battery life as it shoots 8K video. The flying robot is massive for both recreational and pro pilots. The ability to shoot footage in 8K and 6K looks nice. The high compression storage footage size can degrade the quality. The 4K video is crystal clear and is sharp with coral colored, rounded, making it pale sharp-edged DJI. The Evo II has omnidirectional obstacle avoidance with 12 visual sensors and 2 ultrasonic sensors, is easy to operate with 3 smart flight modes and the ability to handle high winds to avoid any accidents. The automated flight mode helps in filming a drone in a rocket clip where the drone quickly flies away. Autel Robotics is the foldable drone in the market and is definitely worth the money. The flight time is incredible and the range is good. The important factor while choosing a drone can fly the drone for a long time without worrying about a shortage of battery. It can fly up to 40 minutes, making it the longest flight time drone in the market. The range is 9 kilometers. The drone has a half CMOS sensor making it 48MP photos and 8K videos, making it a good camera. The Evo II is a lightweight drone and weighs 1,150 grams, making it light and portable. The Evo II has an incredible flight time, a good range and a camera. This is a compact and lightweight drone to make it easy to around. Number 3. Ruko F11 Pro. Ruko F11 Pro is one of the best foldable drones with great flight, 4K Ultra HD picture quality, and 2.9K video capabilities. This Ruko F11 Pro has a compact and portable size, making it great for 34 minutes. The Ruko F11 Pro has a flight time of 30 minutes, which is good for a drone. The drone has a range of 1,640 feet, which makes it soundless. This drone has the shortest range and has a speed of 26.8 miles per hour, which is average for any foldable drone. The Ruko F11 Pro is a small drone that is compact and portable drone. This has a great flight time, 4K Ultra HD picture quality, and 2.9K video capabilities. This drone is a great choice for those who are looking for a budget-friendly foldable drone. Number 4. Parrot Anafi. The Anafi is a feature-filled quadcopter that provides a 4K camera and gives aerial photography and videography. This provides a high-quality camera, long flight times, and controls that make it perfect for newbies. This is one of the longest flight drones with 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This 3100 mAh provides batteries that are replaceable. The range is for kilometers, which have 50 km per hour speed. This offers 4K video at 24 frames per second and a 21 megapixel camera. The image quality is superb and the camera is also stabilized. The Anafi is a small drone that is easy to transport and foldable. This makes it the best lightest drone on the market. Number 5. DJI Mini SE. The Mini SE is great when it comes to the smallest foldable drones. This is the perfect drone for anyone who is looking for aerial photography. The flight time is of 30 minutes, which is impressive for such a small drone. The drone has a long flight time and has 4,000 meters, which is pretty for aerial capturing. The Mini SE has a speed of 13 meters per second, which is fast for most people. The 1/2.3 km sensor with 12 megapixels of resolution makes it great for most people. The SE is a small drone with 138*81*58mm when folded. The small size makes it easy to transport and can fit into tight spaces. This is great for anyone who makes it easy to transport.